In this video, we will know about how to divide a number by a 3-digit number. Means whatever the dividend it may be, if you want to divide it by a 3-digit number, then what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder. Also, you can divide this up to decimal places. Let us take one example. Suppose I am taking 2329989 divided by 513. So write the numbers like this: 2329989 divided by 514. So instead of writing like this, you put the 14 here. This is called actually flag. Means we are doing the division by considering two flag digits. For flag digit of single digit, already I have uploaded on video. Please go through it. Now, since a flag is of 2 digits, you put a semicolon just before 2 digits from the right. Now, first pair is 23. Actually, we have to take first digit first. 2 divided by 5 is not possible. That's why you take 23. 23 divided by 5. 23 divided by 5. 5 into 4, 20, remainder 3. Quotient is 4, remainder is 3. So you write the quotient here and remainder here. Now read it as 32. 14 into 4. But the multiplication will not be directly. Multiplication will be like this. 14, here 4 means make it 2 digits. We have to take crisscross. Means 1 into 4 plus 0 into 4. So 1 into 4 plus 0, that is 4. So you subtract 4 from this place. Now 32 minus 4 will be 28. Again 28 divided by 5. 28 divided by 5. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder is 3. Write 5 here, write 3 here. Again you have to take 14 with 45. So second step, 14 with 45. Same procedure, crisscross. 1 into 5 plus 4 into 4. So 5 plus 16 is 21. Means 21 will be subtracted from 39. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. You are having 18 now. Again 18 divided by 5. 5 into 3, 15, remainder is 3. Write 3 here, write 3 here. Now, 14 and 53 you have to take. Third step, 14 with 53. 3 into 1, 3 plus 5 into 4, 20 means 23 will be subtracted from here. So 9 minus 3, 6, 3 minus 2, 1. 16 divided by 5. 16 divided by 5. 5 into 3, 15, remainder 1. So put 3 here, put 1 here. Now 14, 33. 14, 33. 3 into 1, 3 plus 3 into 4, 12, which is 15. So minus 15. 18 minus 15 is 3. Now 3 is here, 5 is here. 3 is not divisible by 5, means you put 0 and the remainder will be 3. Again 14 with 30. Next step, 14 with 30. 14 with 30. 1 into 0, 0. 3 into 4, 12. Means 12 will be subtracted from this. So 9 minus 2, 7. And 3 minus 1, 2. So quotient is 4533. And remainder is 0.27 means 27. This is our remainder. Okay. Suppose some person wants to find the division up to decimal places, then he or she have to proceed this step indefinitely like this. Just put sufficient number of zeros and proceed as it is. Now 27 divided by 5. 27 divided by 5. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder is 2. So put 5 here, put 2 here. Now again you take 14 with 0, 5. calculation. 14 with 0, 5. So 5 into 1, 5, 0. So 5 will be subtracted. So here will be 15. Now 15 divided by 5. 3. Remainder will be 0. 14 with 53. 14 with 53. 3 into 1, 3 plus 5 into 4, 20. So it will be 23. 23 will be subtracted. So 0 minus 23 will be minus 2. Okay, that means here we are getting a negative term, but always this term should be positive. So if such situation occurs, so actually what we did here, we took 15 divided by 5, 3 is the question and remainder was 0. We wrote 3 here and 0 here. And we saw that we are getting negative, but it should be positive. In that case, what we have to do, we will go one step backward here. So 5 into 2 is 10 and 15 minus 10 is 5. That means our quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 5. Again same procedure, 14 with 52. 14 with 52, 2 into 1, 2 plus 5 into 4, 20, so it will be 22. 22 will be subtracted. So it will be 28 now. Now again 28 divided by 5. 28 divided by 5. 5 into 5, 25, remainder 3. So here is 5, here is 3. 14 with 25. 14 with 25. 5 plus 8, 13. So 13 will be subtracted. Like this, you have to proceed. 2, 3, 2, 9, 9, 2, 3, 2, 9, 9, 8, 9 was our number. Divided by 513 is equals to 453.0525. Like this it will continue. So this is the procedure so that we can divide any number by a 3-digit number. Okay, let us take one more example. Suppose I am taking 49492 divided by 570. So write the numbers like this: 49492, and we have to divide this by 572. Write 72 just above this. This is our flag now. Since 2-digit flag, put a semicolon before 2 digits. Now the first 4 is not divisible by 5, so you have to take 49. 49 divided by 5. 49 divided by 5. 5 into 9, 45, remainder is 4. So put 9 here, put 4 here. But 72 with 09, if you take the operation, you will get 63 plus 0 is plus. 7 into 9, 63 plus 0 is 63. If you subtract 63 here, it will be negative. That is why what you have to do? You have to go one step backward. Means 5 into 8, 30, remainder is 9. So write 8 here and remainder is 9 now. Same procedure, 72 with 8. 72 with 8 means 08, crisscross. 8 into 7, 56 plus 0 into 2, 0 means 56. So 56 will be subtracted. 13 minus 6, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. Now 38 divided by 5. Same procedure will continue. 38 divided by 5. 5 into 7, 35, remainder 3. Put 7 here and 3 will be the remainder. Take 72 with 87. 72 with 87, if you crisscross here, 7 into 7, 49, plus 8 into 2, 16. Whatever the answer will come, it will be more than 39. That means we have to go one step backward here. Okay? Now this is actually 6. So 5 into 6, 30. So remainder will be 8. So put 6 here, put 8 here. Now 72 with 86. 72 with 86. 7 into 6, 42. 8 into 2, 16. So it is 58. And this 58 will be subtracted. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 1. Now again 31 will be divided by 5. If we take 5 into 6, 30, then 1 will be the remainder, and again if you take the calculation, here you will get negative. That means you have to take 5, 31 with 5. 5 into 5, 25, remainder is 6. Now 72 with 65. 72 with 65. 7 into 5, 35. 6 into 2, 12. So it is 47. So 47 will be subtracted. Okay. Now 12 minus 7, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. We are getting 15. Again same concept. 15 by 5 will be 3. Put sufficient number of zeros if you want to find more decimal places. So 15 by 5, 3. If you will take 3 as the quotient, 0 will be the remainder. Here you will get negative. That's why you take 2 as the quotient. 15 by 5, 2 as the quotient means remainder will be 5. Now 72 with 52. 72 with 52. 7 into 2, 14. 5 into 2, 10. So it is 24. So minus 24. 24 plus 6, 30 plus 2, 26. Like this, the procedure will continue. That means here we are getting 49492 divided by 572 will be 86.52. Like this, other digit will